Namaste. I wanted to share a little bit today about the sexual energy. There's a very interesting relationship between this primordial, this basic expression of divinity in us, in this human being, that sexual energy which has the power of procreation, the power of actually this evolution, this continuation of creativity and creation of the human race and human consciousness as we know it right now. And we take this very basic instinct that exists in the entirety of the animal kingdom, and now we are awakening to trying to direct it, to not control it but understand it. And there is a realization suddenly that it's a tremendous and untamed energy. I read somewhere that Buddha expressed if there would have been another energy as strong as the sexual drive, maybe he might have not been able to attain that awakening. So it's a profound calling. Even in that original story of Buddha, Mara sends, after sending the warriors, that fear of death, sending thousands of arrows towards Buddha, he sends his daughters, the maidens, to attract him. So somehow something more subtle. And it is indeed, it's a very profound longing in our being to connect with beauty. So at some basic level, this body wants to procreate. At a subtle level, as we are awakening on the spiritual path, we want to love, we want to combine in the most basic way, to physical body combining each other. We want beauty, we want to awaken. And this sexual energy is something that can move, can transport itself in us, can transform us. And in that context, we can awaken to the sacredness of it. In the freedom from it, the sacredness of it can be tasted. But this is something which must be developed. It's not automatic that it's sacred unless we awaken to that sacredness, which is a process which is not as straightforward as available by just wanting or thinking. It requires practice, it requires dedication, it requires a particular state of mind and attitude and detachment, and most of all requires love of yourself and love of your partner. So much love that everything can be released in freedom in the name of this love, and in that the space can be awakened to become transparent to any manifestation, even one as powerful as the sexual energy. So I invite you on this contemplation and this discovery. Thank you.